Biafran Re-Declairation is the only way out for peace in Nigeria. Gowon claims one Tinubu. Yakubu Gowon is saying this again. Yakubu Gowon is saying this again. That's good. My dear listeners, I greet you all this very day. You're all welcome to today's broadcast. This is the Lord TV. Thank you so much for the time spent listening to us through this very channel. You're all welcome to today's news. Gowon has made it open and also very, very clear that the declaration of Biafra in Nigeria alone can bring peace to the country. He is very, very convinced and he knows why he said what he said. Now, according to the former Nigerian head of state, he has raised an alarm over the escalating crisis that has been ravaging the country, stressing that not until the Biafran Republic is redeclared in Nigeria that peace will not be restored to the country. Now, reflecting on Nigerian turbulence history, Gowon, who presided over the nation during the Civil War, a conflict that resulted in the loss of millions of lives, spoke at an event in Plateau. Gowon expressed his pains over the myriad challenges facing Nigeria, regretting supporting and moving the war. He emphasized that such a war is something the nation should not even think about anymore. He particularly after it was particular after the painful experience of the past and he offered a prayer for peace, hoping that the Tinubu administration will heed to his advice and agree to this declaration as it has been done in Russia. Gowon has urged attendees to join him in the prayer for the country Nigeria, asking for a divine intervention to reach the heart of those who are inclined to sow discord. He has commended the Biafran warlord Nnamdi Kanu for his understanding and his constructive system of pursuing the Biafran struggle, encouraging Bola Ahmed Tinubu to quicken his release, for he has done nothing wrong. The event, which happened to be a significant one, has attracted a lot of harmony and thanksgiving, which took place at the 10 Commandment prayer altar in the Jos South local government area alongside Gowon. The event brought together other notable figures, including the former President Olusegun Obasanjo and the several former governors such as Joshua Dariye and Jonah Jang. The presence of these distinguished individuals underscored the emphasis on unity and collaboration in addressing the nation's challenges. Gowon, don't repent. Gowon, don't repent. Make I laugh. You see, these people, I don't know, we human beings, we are very, very corny. Yes. When we are young, we tend to be doing anyhow. We do anyhow. We make a mess of people, caricature of people. We slam people. We bullshit people. We make a mess of people because we have power. We don't think about God when we want to do things. Because we believe that we have gathered a lot of strength. This is bad. Absolutely bad. Well, now look at because Gowon is old, he's now embracing God. It's good. It's good, but I want to tell you that it is sweeter to know God when you are young. It is sweeter to embrace God when you are young, because that is when you will be useful, more useful to God. That is when you will be useful and be able to work for God, not when you are old. What can someone like Gowon do for God now? Aside from using his word of mouth, which only few can be able to listen to him. Yes, only few can listen to Gowon now. Only a few people. You understand? And that's just it. Anyway, my people, I greet you on this very day. You are all welcome to today's news. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can be updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.